Should I wait for some more time, ma'am?
Ma'am, I have sent message to students. You shall start, I think.
I should start off.
Sure, you go ahead.
Sure. So turn on your cameras, everyone. Turn on your cameras, everyone. Children, do hi cheez. Mahi, please turn your camera. At least be the first one to turn your turn on your cameras, everyone. Thank you, Sanyam. Sayam.
Sayam, please call other students also. Mahi, you too, please.
Okay.
So good afternoon, everyone. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine. Is Sayam the only one in the class? What about the rest of the people?
And we are good.
Great. What about the rest of the people? Whenever we go to schools, the school के बड़े बच्चे सिखाते हैं छोटों को कि छोटे बड़े से ही सीख मिलती है छोटों को, right? But if the children in the higher section behave like this, think of the kind of an impression it will keep on the juniors. What will they learn from you if you are the people who are turning off your cameras, if you are the people who are not responding? तुम ही जब ऐसे होंगे तुम छोटों को सिखाओगे क्या? And then you are the children who are the only ones. It is always the senior children who keep saying, elders who keep saying, मैम हमें ना हमारे ना juniors बहुत तंग करते हैं, हमारे siblings जो sisters है या brothers है बहुत तंग करते हैं, सीखते भी तुमसे ही है. Because it is said that most of the habits that your sibling gets is from the way you behave. So very, very important. If you want your sibling to be good in life, you need to have that strong morals, strong ethics. All right. So how was your vacation, everyone?
Ma'am, good.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. It does not seem to be a very good afternoon, though. Yeah. So how was your vacations? How was your vacations, everyone?
Good.
Good. And what did you do in your vacation, Samiksha?
Some studies, some playing with siblings,
Okay. After exams also you studied?
and some spend time with family.
Okay. You spent time with family. You had fun and you also studied. Exam खत्म होने के बाद भी पढ़ाई किया आपने, समीक्षा?
मैम थोड़ी सी मैम मतलब रिवीजन करने के लिए.
All right, very good. What about you, Kushi? Kushi, what did you do in your vacations?
Ma'am, spend time with family and copy complete थोड़ी सी.
क्या? क्या मुझे सुनाई नहीं दिया लास्ट का जिसमें आप मुस्कुरा रहे? क्या
मैम
किया?
कॉपी कंप्लीट की थोड़ी सी स्कूल की.
Work complete किया. All right. And Khushi, which is a better festival for you, Diwali or Dussehra?
Ma'am, Diwali.
And why Diwali, beta?
Ma'am, because मैम मेरे घर में तो ऐसा मतलब मेन चीजें दिवाली पे ही होती हैं, जैसे घर में रोशनियां हो जाती हैं एंड
अदरवाइज तो
मिठाइयाँ आ
हमेशा
जाती
अंधेरा
हैं।
ही होता होगा ना?
या
हाँ, हमेशा अंधेरा होता है तुम्हारे घर में?
लाइक ऐसे जैसे रौनक हो जाती है ना दिवाली पे, वो सब नहीं होती।
ओके,
लाइक गेस्ट वगैरह आते हैं, फन होता है।
ऑलराइट, ग्रेट. Yeah, Yashika, turn your camera on, beta.
Ma'am, sorry, but I am Anushka, not Yashika.
Oh, okay, so why have you written Yashika? Your name is Anushka. You're talking on mute, sweetheart.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am saying that, ma'am, I am, ma'am, rejoin ही कर रहे थे तभी आपने हमारा name ले लिया, ma'am.
So Anushka, yeah, tell me, how did your exams go? What did you do in your holidays?
Ma'am, basically, I have spent time with family and just do creative works like some arts and some dances and make some dance on some songs also.
Oh, so you like to dance?
And ma'am, I have just, yes, ma'am.
Okay, what type of dance? What form of dance?
Ma'am, it's Bollywood.
Okay, Bollywood dance. You like. All right. Okay, I'll see you dance someday then. Okay. Yeah.
And ma'am, the course that has been started next term, I have just see that what's next coming, and after that, ma'am has started our course, and as usual, our classes has get started.
All right. Now, tell me which is a good festival for you? Which is a better festival for you? Diwali or Dussehra?
Ma'am, I like the Diwali than the Dussehra.
You like Diwali. And why?
Ma'am, because it's Diwali I like most than Dussehra, because in on Diwali we just blow our house with whole lights and make rangolis. I like the most that we make rangolis. Last year I have made rangoli first time.
Mhm.
And my mother prays also for that.
Okay, very good.
And ma'am, I like to blow some candles and diyas and to light my whole house. I like that work also.
All right.
And some
great.
little crackers also. I not lie, but I like the crackers also.
Right. अभी तो थोड़ा problem होने वाला है कि पटाखा banned है, right? But I know all of the people manage from somewhere. I think last to last, before Corona started also, there was a ban on crackers, but all my children were saying, "Ma'am, हमें तो मिल गया पंजाब से." So hopefully people do have their ways to get what they want. Yes, Sayyam. Sayyam, tell me, what did you do on your vacations?
Ma'am, I have completed my schoolwork. I spent time with my parents.
Okay, and which is the better festival for you? Dussehra या Diwali? दोनों पसंद नहीं?
Ma'am,
क्या है?
हम सारे बराबर लगते हैं मुझे तो।
सारे बराबर लगते हैं क्योंकि खाने को मिल जाता है, मिठाइयाँ वैसे भी
मैम
हर
नहीं
एक
खाने,
फेस्टिवल पे मिलता है।
मैम खाने की बात नहीं, एंजॉयमेंट की बात है। एंजॉयमेंट सब में मतलब मीडियम पे ही रहता है मेरा, उससे मैं सबको बराबर ही मानता हूँ।
तो किस पे, when are you, what makes you happy then? वो इतना सोचना पड़ रहा है हम। हमारे नाम की तरह हो तुम, संयम, right?
I have no words to say.
Okay, no problem. You don't know what makes you happy also. Oh my God. What do you want to be in life?
I want to become SP,
What?
Superintendent of Police.
Oh my
And I
God,
want to
thank
become
God that
Superintendent
he
of
has
Police.
clarity कि उसे superintendent of what is that require?
Now first I have to clear the
Oh, for physics strength, number 2.
yes. And I prepared for the interview
Okay.
to the Honor Officer.
Officer, you need to be mentally prepared, you need to be positive, you need to be careful, you need to be brave, you need to be courageous. मैंने इतना बता दिया और मुझे बनना भी नहीं. Okay, all right. So, well, we were talking about one topic before the vacations, and this happens to be one of the best time to talk about our topic because it is Diwali is called, what is Diwali called in other words?
Ma'am, Diwali is the light.
Deepavali.
Right. Diwali is called the Festival of Lights. And another word for Festival of Lights is, it is called the joy of the giving month. The joy when you give, it is called a month where it is said to be the joy of the giving month. जिसमें word ही है कि give करना चाहिए. So you need to give things to people. And when you give things to people, it gives you immense happiness and it actually goes ahead and benefits you in the long run. What I'm doing is I'm quickly showing you a video. I really love this video. So I'm showing the video. I hope you like it too. So give me a minute. Do you see my screen, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
No. Why don't you get something special for Grandpa? I'm sorry. Can I return the cake, please?
Sure, yes.
I want the cake, please. I won't ask for anything else.
Next time, okay? When we can afford it.
Last time you said that.
You don't want this? I'll take it back. Hey, hey, hey. Hello, this is for you.
No, we cannot accept it.
Would you please?
There's no reason for you to buy the cake for us.
Well, when I was 7, my mother wanted to buy me a cake.
Mommy, I want this one.
But at the counter, we didn't have enough.
Can we get something else?
It's my birthday today. Can I choose my own cake, please?
I'm sorry.
Then there's this man. I've never met him before.
Here, have the cake. Happy birthday.
I didn't know his name. I never got a chance to say thank you. I've never forgotten about him. The man in the queue. No, thank you.
Can I have your contact number? Let me repay you when we have the money.
Promise me something, okay? Someday, you're able to help somebody, you will do it?
May I know your name, mister?
Well, I'm the man in the queue.
I chose this cake for your birthday.
Wow, this is my favorite. Thank you.
Let's go and put some candles.
Oh, careful. You shouldn't have spent the money.
Actually, I can't even pay for it.
You give me this note.
Please write down your address. I'll bring the money back to you later.
A simple act of caring creates an endless ripple.
That comes back to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Right. So how many people liked the video? It's such a nice video, right? The message is so beautifully conveyed. And tell me one thing, how many children believe in karma? Karma, कौन बच्चे मानते हैं karma? They believe in karma.
Karma means?
Okay. Karma is, Yamahi, can you explain what does karma mean?
Ma'am, karma in Hindi pronounced as karma. That means the
No,
work.
what does karma mean?
Yes, ma'am. The work that you do, that is your karma.
I'm sorry. What does karma mean, beta?
मैम इंसान जब काम करता है तो उसे कर्मा बोलते हैं.
नहीं, इंसान
Ma'am,
जो काम करता है,
its effect is called karma. The good or bad effect of something you do.
right, the good or bad effect of what we do. Basically, karma का मतलब है, it's जो भी काम करते हो तुम, अच्छा या बुरा, तुम्हें इसी जन्म में उसका भुगतान मिलेगा. That means whatever actions you take, whatever things you do, then that will, उसका फल या परिणाम जो है तुम्हें इसी जन्म में मिलेगा. How many people believe in karma? Okay, so I strongly believe in karma, and I have seen a lot of people that जिंदगी में तुमने कुछ अच्छे कर्म किए हैं तो उसका फल भी इसी जीवन में मिलेगा. अगर तुमने कुछ बुरे कर्म किए हैं तो उसका फल भी तुम्हें इसी जन्म में मिलेगा. So always ensure that whenever we are doing something in life, we always do it in a good manner. We always do things that are good, that people can remember us by. I remember of a small story. What happened was, there was a very rich man, okay, in our place, and that rich man had the habit of writing, and they were royal families, and they had a lot and lot of money. What that author used to do, the poet, he was a poet, so whatever this poet used to do, this poet always used to go ahead and spend a lot of money in himself, and he was wealthy, super wealthy. Okay, one day what happened, he was relaxing, and as he was relaxing, he saw a घासी. घासी का मतलब पता है क्या है? A
Ma'am,
घासी is a
what is the
grass.
word?
घासी. A person who जो ग्रास को कट करता है, जो इट्स लाइक अ फार्मर, घास को जो कट करता है, इसे घासी बोलते हैं. सो इट्स अ संस्कृत वर्ड. ओके, सो ये घासी जब घास काट रहा था, द ग्रास कट कर रहा था, तो ये, और एवरी टाइम वो घासी को देखता, घास काटता, ग्रास काटता और अपने पैसे बचा रहा था. तो उसने एक दिन, ये रिच मैन ने पूछा, द रिच पोएट आस्क्ड हिम, आप इतना ज्यादा मेहनत करते हो, पर ये पैसे क्यों बचा रहे हो? And at that point of time, the farmer says, or that grass cutter says, मैं ना ये पैसे इसीलिए बचा रहा हूँ कि यहाँ पे मैं कुआं बना सकूं, so that when I am dead and I am gone, people remember me. People still talk about me when I'm gone. And at that point of time, the poet's mind just strikes कि ये घासी इतना गरीब घर का हो के भी इतनी बड़ी सोच है कि जाने से पहले वो एक कुआं बना रहा है, जिससे लोग उससे जिंदगी भर याद करें, और मैं यहाँ इतने पैसे लेके बैठा हूं और मैंने किया कुछ नहीं है. So in life, remember, it is very, very important कि लोग तुम्हें याद करें, and लोग तुम्हें तब ही याद करेंगे जब तुम एक अच्छे इंसान बन पाओगे, right? And one of the greatest way that people will remember you is when you offer to help others. So what are some of the ways we can help others? What are some of the ways in which we can help others?
Ma'am, we can help what they need actually at that point of time. They want to need at that time. We can give them, and we can also help to arrange them also.
All right. So in other words, you can donate, right? हर स्कूल में, मैं जितने भी स्कूल जाती हूँ, 90% of the school में अक्टूबर के महीने में या नवंबर के महीने में there is one,
Yes, ma'am, donation.
there is a week called Joy of Giving Week या Donation Week, जहाँ पे इतने बड़े बड़े कार्डबोर्ड रख देते हैं, और उसपे सारे स्कूल के बच्चे पुराने कपड़े जो अच्छे हो, जो वो पहन नहीं सकते, पुराने टॉयज, पुराने खिलौने लेके वहां डंप कर देते हैं. And then we go ahead, collect all those boxes and take it to NGOs. And when we take it to all the NGOs and distribute it to all the poor people, oh my God, the immense happiness, अगर तुम उनके चेहरे पे देखोगे, it is in comparison to anything in the world. और हम सोचते, अरे खुश भी होंगे इतना मिलके. Oh my God, they are super duper happy, because what you have done is a token of gesture by giving that help. Number one. Number two way you can help someone is by learn, practice, teach. LPT, and L stands for learn, P stands for practice, T stands for teach. Learn, first खुद सीखना पड़ता है, right? हमें खुद प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ता है. and then we teach. अगर अनुष्का किसी और टाइम पे लोगों को कुछ सिखाने लग गई and she does not preach, she does not practice, and she does not follow the same thing that she is preaching, the first thing लोग क्या बोलेंगे, खुद तो कुछ नहीं करती, बेकार में ज्ञान बांटने चली गई है, right? So very, very important in life. Then LPT, learn, practice, teach. For example, a math sum or English for that matter of fact. खुद आपको learn करना पड़ेगा. फिर what happens? You practice. Practice करके expert बन जाओगे. Then you teach. The third is volunteer. A lot of times in our lives, हम क्या करते? We go ahead and we have this habit of saying, अरे मुझे वॉलंटियर करने का मन था पर मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड ने नहीं किया ना, इसीलिए मैंने भी नहीं किया. मुझे ना इतना मन था ना करने का ये वॉलंटियर का काम, पर ना मेरी फ्रेंड बीमार हो गई इसलिए मैंने नहीं किया. So very, very important. Learn to volunteer. Volunteer to help people. In Corona time, so many people volunteered to help each other. And a great salute to all the people who are Punjabis, to all the people who are Sardars, wherein they prepared langar every day for the poor and the needy people, for going ahead doing providing oxygen cylinders when none of the hospitals could go ahead and provide oxygen cylinders. These were the group of people who started a oxygen langar, जहाँ पे लोगों को ऑक्सीजन मिल रहा था. So these are voluntary things that people do, but we remember them till a long time. And the last thing is, Jai Ho में एक dialogue बोला है. I did not like the movie Jai Ho that much, but however एक dialogue बोला है. What is the dialogue that was told in Jai Ho?
थैंक यू की जगह 3 लोगों की मदद कर दो.
Ma'am, actually you are muted.
Yeah, sorry. So उन्होंने बोला है, आप मुझे थैंक यू मत बोलो, आप दूसरों आगे जाके 3 लोगों की मदद करे, वो आगे जाके 3 लोगों की मदद करेगा तो दुनिया अपने आप ही अच्छा बन जाएगा. So very, very important in life that we need to go ahead and make the better world, and it can only be done if we follow this vicious cycle of helping one another. I remember of a funny incident. क्या होता है ना, हम हमेशा कंप्लेन करने में नंबर 1 होते हैं. जैसे बहुत सारे बच्चे, बहुत सारे अडल्ट्स को भी मैंने देखा है, अरे फॉरेन देख कितना साफ है और हमारे इंडिया को देख कितना गंदा है, इतना मैला है. पर no one reflects कि मैला कौन बनाता है और साफ कौन बनाता है. It's we ourselves, right? I remember of an incident. I was educated from a convent school. So convent schools are very, very strict. जब भी हमें कुछ फेंकना होता है, we need to ensure that we throw it in the dustbin. And school पढ़ा रही हूँ तो भी ये आदत हटी नहीं है कि जब तक डस्टबिन नहीं दिखता, I don't throw anything on the road. I put it in my bag. So my bag is more like a dustbin for me. So one day what happened, मेरे हाथ में कोक का बॉटल, जो मैकडॉनल्ड्स का कोक का बॉटल, जो कोक का ग्लास होता है वो था, दूसरे में मैकडॉनल्ड का हैप्पी मील, 1-2 चीजें थी, and I was carrying it. So I was not able to find a dustbin. I looked here and there and here and there because I was out of McDonald's. And I was eating outside and walking and eating, so I didn't find a place where I can throw. So I went to one of the person there and I asked him, भैया ये कहाँ पे फेंकना है? And he says, अरे मैडम यहीं पे फेंक दो ना. And then I said, भैया यहाँ नहीं फेंकना, डस्टबिन चाहिए. अरे मैडम आपके एक इंसान का फेंकने ना फेंकने से भारत थोड़े स्वच्छ होने वाला है. to look at the mentality, and then we are compared. कि क्यों अच्छा नहीं है? Because we need to take that personal responsibility ourselves to make the world a better place, and it starts with you. क्योंकि जब तुम लोग अच्छा काम करोगे, सारी अच्छी चीजें करोगे, आने वाला वक्त तुमसे ही बनेगा. Yes or no? So very, very important in life. Do things which are good. Do things which benefits people rather than learning foul languages, gandi bhasha bolna, ladai karna. So helping is one of the greatest gifts, because ye help ही वही कर सकता है who is blessed. And trust me, we are all blessed to be living in such good families and having everything which so many children don't have. Yes or no? So, no, children, we have come to the end of today's workshop. Before I leave, I have one question, and I had a series of questions, but because we are out of time, because you all joined in late, I'll only ask one question to you. And my question is, if you are helping someone with the thought of expecting something in return, is it really helping?
No.
No, ma'am.
Pakka?
No, ma'am. No.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. But then why do we say, why is it not helping? क्योंकि हम तो help कर रहे हैं ना सच्ची में. मेरे माइंड में है कि मुझे कभी संयम की जरूरत हो तो वो भी मेरा साथ देगा, राइट? पर मैं हेल्प तो कर रही हूँ, so why is it not helping?
Ma'am, this kind of help is a sort of selfish behavior.
But why is it selfish? Because Mahi, there
Ma'am,
is
because we are approaching someone, we are helping someone for our benefit, not for the sake of them, not for helping them.
But मेरा benefit लेने का तो try नहीं आया ना, Mahi.
And expectations actually make us weaker. How do we know that the person on the other side is always going to help us? We should help.
Exactly. So, as
So-
Shagun rightly said, हमें तो पता भी नहीं है आगे वाला help करने, अब आने वाले time पे help करेगा या नहीं. पर हम expect, but we keep the thought of expectation कि अगर मैंने किसी का help करा, ये भी मेरा help करे, तो क्या ये help है इसको? मेरा एक क्वेश्चन, मेरा दूसरा क्वेश्चन बता दो फिर. Let me ask you a question. Why do you think people help each other?
Helping gives a good sense of happiness to people, but in this world we see that people are actually helping the others for themselves only. People think that helping the others would give them something in return, and that would make them happier. And so people are actually helping not to help others but to get themselves. So
क्या
मतलब
ये
get
गलत
something
है
in return.
शगुन है?
Ma'am, getting something in return is, a feeling of business arises. When we do a business, it is something when we give something and we want something in return. We want a
So tell
profit.
me, when you give money to a beggar, do you expect he will help you back and give?
No, ma'am. This is
ये
something
भी
that
मेरे
I.
आने वाले टाइम में ना ये beggar तो मेरा जरूर help करेगा. नहीं,
No,
not
ma'am.
really, right? So it is
Yeah.
a very thought-provoking question. हम help करते हैं लोगों. There is always some people. And don't tell that life is not filled with expectations. Life is filled with so much expectations, Shagun. For example, let's take an example. Shagun ने एक friend को message भेजा. Who is your friend, Shagun?
Ma'am, everybody is my friend in my class.
Okay, let's take an example of Deepika. Shagun ने Deepika को message भेजा WhatsApp पे. Hello how are you? How is your holidays going on? Did you do your homework? Are you having fun? And then Deepika answers, huh. Then what will Shagun think? अरे यार इतना लंबा मैसेज लिखा और बस हाँ लिख दिया. अब से तो ना नेक्स्ट टाइम मैसेज भी नहीं करूंगी मैं. we do that, yes or no? We do. अगर हमने इतना लंबा भेजा मैसेज किसी को, एक लाइन का आंसर आया या कुछ ओके आया तो हम गुस्सा हो जाते हैं. Because why? We expect. And expectations होता है. It is very natural phenomena to expect, right? So I don't, it's your thought or whatever you think, but I think helping someone with an expectation that that person will help you, it's still okay. क्योंकि वो हमारे दोस्त है और सभी के साथ हम वो expectations नहीं रख सकते. Sagun, do you keep the expectations with everyone?
No, ma'am.
No,
With not everyone.
Not with everyone. So our area is very confined, जिससे हम expect कर सकते हैं. So if we are doing something good, अगर नहीं किया तो सबसे पहले ठेस हमें को पहुंचती है, बुरा हमें ही लगता है, right? Because that's human tendency. But there are another group of people who are called underprivileged, people who can't afford. उन लोगों की help करना, we do it genuinely दिल से, और हमारे मन में बिल्कुल एक एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं होगा कि ये आगे जाके करोड़पति बनेगा और मुझे दे देगा पैसे, right? So very, very important in life, what we need to learn is to show a little bit of kindness and do at least one good deed in a day by doing something better that brings a smile on someone's face. And what could it be other than helping others? So on this note, thank you so much for your time, everyone. Bye. Bye-bye, everyone.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. See you later.